I'm going to be the horse for a moment, and I'm about to do a turn on the haunches from the halt toward you. And if the horse is doing the turn on the haunches perfectly, he will be stepping with his outside hind leg around the inside hind leg, which keeps moving as well. Jab, jab, and he's standing squarely again. That would be perfect. Think of asking for the PF, think of asking for the PF. Collect, collect, collect. And out now. There, good, exactly. Yes, that one was okay, but it could have been better. But he also had just tripped. She did very well in bringing the shoulder over right before the pirouette. That's really important.